This 7-mic drum kit is too cheap to be real, but it actually works. You know that sinking feeling when inspiration hits, but your gear just won't cooperate? Drums sound flat, vocals vanish in the mix, and half your practice is wasted fiddling with bad equipment. Frustration builds. Creativity stalls. Hours slip away. You start to wonder, is it me? Or just the lousy tools keeping me stuck in mediocrity? Spoiler, it's not you. Deadlines creep closer, pressure mounts, and your music still sounds muddy. Rehearsals feel wasted, recordings fall apart, and gigs? Embarrassing. That stress digs deeper. Like every missed note is proof you'll never break through. It's not just sound quality. It's your confidence, your momentum, your passion on the line. And nothing kills motivation faster than unreliable gear sabotaging your craft. Enter the Pyle 7-piece wired dynamic microphone kit, PMDKS7, the ultimate starter bundle for drummers, bands, and budget-conscious creators who need results now. With dedicated mics for kick, snare, toms, and cymbals plus 2 overhead condensers, you get complete coverage without emptying your wallet. Plug-and-play XLR, sturdy rim mounts, universal threading, and a lockable carrying case makes setup effortless. One user said, "We fully mic'd our youth band's drum kit in 15 minutes. No missing parts, no chaos." Imagine going from zero to a full mic'd kit overnight, suddenly hearing that kick punch, snare crack, and cymbal shimmer clearly in the mix. Another musician joked, "It's like opening a cheat code for live sound on a budget." Whether it's rehearsal, streaming, church gigs, or GarageBand recording, this kit transforms frustration into real, usable sound clarity. The beauty isn't just affordability, it's freedom. Suddenly, your rehearsals sound balanced, recordings capture real punch, and gigs stop feeling like uphill battles. Experts note, each mic is purpose-tuned. Kick drum captures real low-end punch, while overheads highlight cymbal shimmer. An influencer laughed. Plug in, clip on, instant band hero. No overthinking. Industry analysts call it the quintessential first mic kit, 7 mics plus hardware for less than 1 pro mic. Real users back it up. We record demos at home now. Snare cuts, toms are crisp. Church band? Solved. Durable and clear. Kick mic surprised me. Cuts through the whole mix. Sure, it won't outmatch $1,000 microphones, but that's the point. It's about stepping up from nothing to a full working setup instantly. And the sleek case? A lifesaver for travel. Can you really put a price on removing roadblocks, regaining focus, and finally hearing your sound come alive? Don't just take their word. See why thousands rave. Limited stock means waiting isn't an option. Grab the Pyle 7-piece drum microphone kit today and join thousands already rehearsing smarter, recording cleaner, and gigging with confidence. Don't keep drowning in bad sound. Act now before supply runs dry. Imagine your next session, zero setup stress, clear balanced sound, and real momentum. Seize this chance. Build, play, record, repeat. The stage, the studio, the practice room, they're all waiting. Own your sound with Pyle.